We're gathered to worship, becoming a choir to sing your praise, lifting our voices, joining our hearts in this house today. People of God, in the power of God, for the kingdom of God we sing. From the rising of the sun till the sun goes down, the name of the Lord be praised. From the rising of the sun till the sun goes down, the name of the Lord be praised. The sky to the depths, from the east to the west, give you praise.
Seminars. Read the seminars.
Bible study one. Really excellent.
Youth from the church and how to make them come into the church.
Singing, dancing.
Praises rising, eyes are turning to you. We turn to you. Hope is stirring, hearts are yearning for you.
Yeah, I've been to the Big Tub a few times and heard a few people.
We long
Shine, Jesus, shine, fill this land with the Father's glory. Close this love, look this through, there as well. These are the days, hey, look, there's the prophet Elijah. He's shining too, and we're all feeling swell.
I thought that we were back on track, but unfortunately today we've got power problems with our generator. This is a real disaster because it means that we've got no cooker and, more importantly, no dishwasher. So if you hear any of us say, we really need, can you shout, more power? Thank you very much.
For me, I think the best bit would be in the Big Top worship when I really felt very close to God again.
To be completely honest, the new worship songs, I really enjoyed them.
Having a laugh. Oh, you should have filmed it. Oh, you know, just like that. So, are you going next year? Definitely.
Yes, I am.
Yes, we're already organising it now.
Looking forward to it. I am actually. Oh yes, already. I'm saving up already.
I am looking forward to next year, yes. And I'm considering very seriously coming as a volunteer next year, so I can give something back to this event that's given so much to me over the past quite a few years.
Hearts are yearning for you.
I love you, Hazel.